The best 3D printers in 2026 are no longer just tools for engineers. They're faster, smarter, safer, and shockingly beginner-friendly. But here's the problem. Not every high-speed printer actually delivers clean prints. Not every AI-powered machine saves you time, and some upgrades simply aren't worth your money. So in today's video, I've done the testing for you. We're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026, from powerful budget-friendly machines to serious large-format production beasts. Whether you're printing at home, building prototypes, running a small business, or upgrading your creative setup, there's something here for you. And as always, you'll find the best available prices linked in the description below. Let's start the countdown. Number 5. FlashForge AD5X Multicolor High-Speed 3D Printer. Kicking off our list at number 5, the FlashForge AD5X is built for makers who want speed and creativity without stepping into complicated industrial territory. This printer runs on a Core XY motion system, which means faster travel movements, sharper corners, and more stable high-speed printing. With speeds reaching up to 600 millimeters per second, the AD5X dramatically reduces print times, but more importantly, it maintains dimensional accuracy while doing it. Where it really shines is in multicolor printing. If you're designing figurines, educational models, or visual prototypes, the ability to switch colors adds a professional touch that single extruder machines simply can't match. The 300°C direct drive extruder expands your filament options, allowing you to print PLA, PETG, TPU, and more without extrusion inconsistencies. Add in one-click auto-leveling and you eliminate one of the biggest beginner frustrations, uneven first layers. With a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume, it's balanced perfectly for home use and classroom environments. This isn't just a fast printer, it's a creative upgrade for makers who want efficiency and flexibility in one modern package. Best for creative hobbyists and users upgrading from entry-level printers. Downside, build volume may feel limited for large-scale projects. Number 4. QD+4 High-Speed Enclosed 3D Printer. At number 4, the QD+4 steps into serious prosumer territory. This is the machine for users who don't just want speed, they want material freedom and industrial stability. With a fully enclosed body and actively heated 65°C chamber, the +4 creates a controlled thermal environment. That matters when printing ABS, nylon, carbon fiber composites, or other engineering-grade filaments that typically warp on open-frame printers. Its 370°C direct drive extruder is built specifically for advanced materials. That means stronger mechanical parts, durable functional prototypes, and professional-level results. The large 12 by 12 by 11-inch build volume opens the door for bigger enclosures, multi-part assemblies, and fewer sliced sections. Combined with automatic leveling and a rigid frame, this printer is designed for consistency during long prints. If you're building functional parts or working on mechanical designs, the +4 isn't just fast, it's production-ready. Best for engineers, advanced hobbyists, functional part printing. Downside, higher price point and more power consumption. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Multicolor 3D Printer. Landing at number 3, the Bambu Lab A1 is one of the smartest beginner-friendly printers available in 2026. This machine focuses heavily on automation. Full auto-calibration and active flow rate compensation mean you don't have to constantly tweak settings. It adjusts intelligently to maintain smooth extrusion and consistent first layers, even at higher speeds. It supports multicolor printing, which instantly makes creative projects look more polished and professional. The 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume gives you comfortable room for daily prints, cosplay parts, educational models, or detailed prototypes. One major advantage is its quiet operation, running at 48 decibels or lower. That makes it ideal for home offices, classrooms, or shared living spaces. Instead of overwhelming you with complexity, the A1 simplifies the 3D printing experience while still delivering impressive speed and accuracy. Best for beginners and creators wanting smart automation. Downside, not ideal for high-temperature industrial materials. Number 2. Creality K1C High-Speed AI 3D Printer. At number 2, the Creality K1C brings AI monitoring and high-speed performance together in one compact system. Printing up to 600 millimeters per second, it dramatically cuts down production time. But what sets it apart is the built-in AI camera. It monitors your print in real time and detects failures early, preventing wasted filament and ruined multi-hour jobs. The 300° C hot end allows you to print carbon fiber reinforced materials, making it ideal for strong functional parts. The rigid frame and optimized motion system ensure stability even during high-speed movements. Automatic leveling simplifies setup, while silent mode keeps noise under control for home environments. With a balanced 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume, it fits comfortably into most setups without sacrificing capability. If you want intelligent monitoring combined with serious performance, the K1C is a strong all-around upgrade. Best for advanced hobbyists and small business use. Downside, smaller build area compared to large format models. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo Multicolor 3D Printer. Taking the number 1 spot, the Creality K2 Plus Combo. This machine is built for serious creators who want scale, automation, and multicolor capability in one powerhouse system. Its massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume sets it apart immediately. Large helmets, multi-part assemblies, architectural models, you can print them in fewer sections. The new CFS multicolor system allows seamless color transitions, making detailed projects cleaner and more professional. Dual AI cameras provide advanced monitoring for long prints, helping detect issues early and increasing reliability. The next-generation direct drive extruder maintains precise filament control, even at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Add full auto leveling, and setup becomes far less intimidating than older large format printers. This isn't just a printer, it's a production-capable creative platform for serious users in 2026. Best for large projects, production environments, advanced creators. Downside, premium pricing and requires more space. So there you have it, the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. Whether you're printing at home, running a creative studio, or upgrading to a production-level machine, the right choice depends on your speed needs, material goals, and project scale. All the printers mentioned are linked below with the best available prices. If this video helped you choose with confidence, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Are you upgrading or buying your very first 3D printer? I'll see you in the next countdown.